rising sophomore at Saratoga High School, and my starter project is the Simon Says game. So the way this game works is that there's two slide switches, one for sound and one for power. And so when you turn it on, it makes a noise, and the way you start the game is by pressing any button, and it'll show a pattern, and you copy the pattern. And the game ends when you mess up the pattern, like this, for example. So the main components of this project are pretty simple. First is the battery, which is the power source, and next is the microcontroller, which acts like a mini computer controlling the game and the function of the game. Next is the buzzer, which makes all the sounds for each time you press one of the buttons. Next are the LEDs, which are under each of the 4 buttons. Each one of them produces a different color. And next are the actual buttons themselves, which are made out of rubber material. Underneath each of the buttons is a touch sensor, and so when the button is pressed, the touch sensor is activated and a signal is sent back to the microcontroller, and from the microcontroller a signal is sent back to the buzzer. And so for each color, for each button, a different signal is sent, which tells the buzzer to make a different noise. There are two capacitors on the side here, which hold energy, and one of the main difficulties of this project were all of the soldering that were for the microcontroller. Because all the pieces are really close together, it was hard to make sure that they didn't get soldered together.